Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Shark Vacuum Accessories is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for homeowners and cleaning enthusiasts, promising a deeper clean and increased versatility for tackling various surfaces and messes. From pet hair removal to hard-to-reach crevices, the right accessories can transform your cleaning routine, making it more efficient and effective, ultimately saving you time and effort in maintaining a spotless home. This video will explore the top shark vacuum accessories and help you choose the perfect ones to suit your specific needs and cleaning preferences. Number 5. Shark AZ 2002 Vertex Vacuum. This is the Shark AZ 2002 Vertex, an ultra-powerful vacuum with incredible suction and innovative cleaning technologies. It's designed to make cleaning your home easier and more efficient. It features a self-cleaning brush roll, engineered for more pet hair pickup with no hair wrap. Say goodbye to tangled hair and hello to effortless cleaning. The dual clean power fins combine a powerful brush roll and a soft roller for continuous cleaning contact on all floors. It digs deep into carpets and picks up more in every pass. With the powered lift-away pod, you can easily clean under furniture or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor. It's perfect for upholstery, stairs, and hard-to-reach places. It includes a self-cleaning pet power brush and a pet crevice tool to remove pet hair from hard-to-reach spaces. It's a pet owner's dream. It features an anti-allergen complete seal and a HEPA filter to trap 99.9% of dust and allergens. Breathe easy knowing your home is cleaner and healthier. The large 1-quart dust cup allows for longer cleaning sessions without interruption. You can clean your whole house without emptying it frequently. What we like? This vacuum boasts powerful suction and a self-cleaning brush roll, ensuring effortless pet hair removal. The detachable pod makes cleaning under furniture a breeze. If you have pets and need versatile cleaning, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Powerful when needed, swivel head works like a charm, glides over hard floors, basically self-propelled across rugs, and most importantly for me, picks up long dog hair without getting tangled in the brushes. The suction of hair off the floor was astonishing. The suction was again astonishing. I vacuumed my shag carpet in the living room and ended up with a full tank. My favorite feature, because I have long hair and I shed too, it pulls the hair into its own compartment and wraps it up into a spool for discard. It won't lock up the roller. Number 4. Universal Vacuum Cleaning Kit. This versatile kit includes 9 attachments and 5 adapters, making it compatible with most household and shop vacuums. It's your all-in-one solution for deep cleaning. It fits various vacuum hose diameters, from 32 mm to 44 mm. This means it works with many popular brands, including Shark, Miele, and Kenmore. Use it to clean carpets, furniture, vents, even your keyboard. The included extension wands make reaching high places and tight corners easy. This kit includes a specialized pet hair removal brush, making quick work of those pesky pet hairs on furniture and carpets. Say goodbye to pet hair worries. The long flexible crevice tool helps remove lint buildup from your dryer vent, improving efficiency and preventing fire hazards. Regular cleaning is key to dryer safety and longevity. From crevice tools and brushes to extension wands and adapters, it has everything you need for a thorough clean. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like? This kit offers a wide range of attachments compatible with most vacuums. It includes tools for various cleaning tasks, even dryer vent cleaning. If you need a versatile cleaning solution for your entire home, consider this comprehensive kit. What people say. The brush attachments are great quality. The variety of accessories and adapters make these very good value. There's a tiny computer keyboard accessory as well as a very long, flexible dryer vent cleaner. There are brushes and widgets accessories. Works nicely with all my vacuums. Old Kenmore Upright, Shark Rocket Pro HV371, and a couple of wet-dry shop vacs. Some reviews mention problems using the long skinny flexible lint dryer attachment. That attachment is best used with a more powerful vacuum. To fit into your dryer, this attachment must be skinny. As such, expect that it will likely clog several times during use. You will have to pull off that attachment and thump it on the floor to unclog it. That's not a design flaw and is not big hassle. My old house has floor and low heating cooling vents. This attachment is very good for cleaning them as well. The horsehair attachment is nice to use with my Shark Rocket Pro to quickly dust flat and irregular surfaces including the interior of my vehicle. The long flexible dryer vent attachment works better than one of rigid plastic to get at debris between and under the seats. Number 3. Shark Navigator Vacuum Accessories. This is a replacement tool kit, perfectly compatible with your Shark Navigator NV350, NV352, NV355, and NV356E models. It's the perfect solution for maintaining peak cleaning performance. The crevice tool helps you reach those hard-to-clean areas. Use it to tackle corners, crevices, and hard-to-reach spots with ease. Our soft dust brush is perfect for delicate surfaces. The horsehair bristles gently remove dust and pet hair from curtains, upholstery, and more without causing damage. It's made from high-grade ABS plastic, ensuring it's durable and easy to clean. Simply attach it to your vacuum cleaner and start cleaning. No need for adapters. These attachments connect directly to your Shark Navigator vacuum, making them quick and easy to use. Enjoy a hassle-free cleaning experience. What we like. This kit provides essential tools specifically designed for your Shark Navigator vacuum. It includes a crevice tool and a soft dust brush for detailed cleaning. If you own a Shark Navigator and need replacement or additional tools, this is a great option. What people say. It fits my Shark NV356E Navigator lift away. It feels loose, but once the vacuum is on, the suction holds it tightly. The angle can be adjusted by holding the neck in one hand and rotating the head with the other. Love the long needle nose for corners. A real spider web eater. Upholstery nozzle has shorter brush hairs than usual, making it a bit easier to use. Number 2. Vacext Cleaning Kit for Shark and Miele. This versatile cleaning kit is designed to make cleaning easier than ever before. It comes with multiple attachments to tackle any mess, big or small. You'll receive a turbo brush, various dust vacuum attachments, and adapters to fit most vacuum cleaners. Everything you need for a thorough clean is right here. From bookshelves and furniture to car interiors and pet hair, it's perfect for a wide variety of cleaning tasks. It even works on delicate items like jewelry and plants. The included turbo brush is specifically designed to remove pet hair from upholstery, stairs, and car carpets. Say goodbye to stubborn pet hair. It's compatible with many popular vacuum brands, including Shark and Miele. Check the adapter sizes to ensure compatibility with your vacuum. Simply attach the desired nozzle to your vacuum and start cleaning. The different adapters allow for a customized cleaning experience. What we like. This kit comes with a turbo brush ideal for pet hair removal and multiple adapters for broader compatibility. It's perfect for upholstery and hard-to-reach areas. If you struggle with pet hair and need adaptable attachments, this is your best bet. What people say. Works really well, easy to take apart to clean but not flimsy. Love all the different pieces, just what I needed. Totally love the one designed to pick up cat hair. Number 1. Vacuum Attachment Kit. This kit is designed to enhance your cleaning experience. It includes everything you need to tackle any mess, from hard-to-reach corners to delicate surfaces. It's compatible with most standard vacuum cleaners. Just check that your vacuum hose has a 114-inch or 138-inch inner diameter. This kit offers a variety of attachments for different cleaning tasks. You'll be able to clean everything from upholstery to floors with ease. These attachments make cleaning so much easier. Say goodbye to dust, dirt, and pet hair with minimal effort. The brush nozzle is perfect for delicate surfaces. It gently cleans while protecting your furniture. The crevice tool is ideal for reaching those hard-to-reach spots. It gets into every nook and cranny. It fits any standard 1 to 1/4-inch friction-fitted vacuum cleaner. The inner diameter is 32 mm 1.25 inches for a secure fit. This 6-piece kit is your complete cleaning solution. It's everything you need for a spotless home. What we like. This kit is designed for standard-sized vacuum hoses and includes 6 practical cleaning tools. It's simple to use and offers great value. If you need a basic, functional set of attachments, this is a cost-effective choice. What people say. The attachments are small, as others noted, but fit perfectly with my shop vac hose, and there is also an adapter that allows me to use the tools on my larger shop vac that I keep at home. The smaller size of the tools work well for my purposes, although if I were sanding large, flat surfaces I would prefer larger attachments. No issues with the fit or performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.